The beleaguered Congress had suffered a jolt in Sikkim as president of the Sikkim Pradesh Congress Committee, Bharat Basnet, resigned from the party in protest against the decisions of the All India Congress Committee appointing a general secretary in charge of Sikkim for the party without consulting the state committee. Bharat Basnet has accused the party high command of underestimating the state leadership and hurting the sentiments of the local party members of Sikkim. Here's a report. Senior politician Bharat Basnet has resigned from the post of Sikkim Pradesh Congress Committee president. He forwarded his resignations to the All India Congress Committee in Delhi last week. Announcing his resignation in the press conference at Gangtok on Sunday, 13 September, Basnet informed that he resigned from the party in protest against the decisions of the All India Congress Committee appointing a general secretary in charge of the Sikkim for party without consulting him. Basnet said he was not happy with the decision of the party. This was not the first time that the Congress High Command has taken a decision on Sikkim without consulting him. Every time they do without consulting us, it seems we are nothing. Our opinion does not matter, he added.
Being a senior Congress state president, I have spent more than 3 decades in this party, and I have worked under various posts within this party. But thing is, of a different type here. Every time national, leaderships are deciding at their own, they should consult at least to the state authority whether these things are good or in the interest of party or not, whether you are satisfied or not. So this sort of decision, or this is not a decision, I would say it's a dictate. Always we have to accept the dictate of center.
Speaking on the reasons for his resignation, he mentioned that he raised many regional issues related to the people of Sikkim as the state president of the National Party, but the state government has not taken any issues seriously and failed to provide justice to the people. Because of this, he said that he no longer wants to remain the SPCC president. He further said that the AICC recently appointed Kuljit Singh Nagra as Sikkim in charge of the party without consulting the state committee. On the same, he mentioned that the state committee has always been suffering due to such decision by the central committee.
I got a message that Mr. Nagar has been appointed in charge of Sikkim PCC. I'm not satisfied the way Mr. Nagar was appointed. How long we can go on accepting Dicks and Harry every time? We should have some respect at least. The state should have some say in the appointing our in charge.
If the central command always underestimates us and does not respect the sentiments and feelings of the local people, then we are not happy and satisfied with the decision of the party, and such decisions hurt our self-respect, he expressed. Bharat Basnet was appointed as the State Congress Party President on 2nd October 2015 for the first time and was currently serving as President for the second consecutive time. Earlier, he had served as the State Youth President of the Congress Party from 1994 to 97 and then served in other posts with the Congress Party for around 3 decades. He also contested 3 Assembly elections and 1 Lok Sabha elections on Congress tickets in Sikkim. Earlier, in a major reshuffle of the Congress on 11 September, in Northeast senior Congress leader and former Union Minister Bhakta Charan Das have been appointed as the new All India Congress Committee in charge of Manipur and Mizoram. The Congress leader from Orissa also have been appointed as the permanent invitee to the highest decision-making body, Congress Working Committee, who replaced Gaurav Gogoi from Assam. With Deepak Gurung, Gangtok.